everyone, this is Rajni Singh and welcome to my classes. Now today we will start exercise 5.4 and in this exercise we read about angles, how to measure the angle. So here this is called baseline and in this we use the protractor. So how can you use this? First you have to fix the protractor this point on here and find the angle of baseline and this line here. So we fix the protractor on that point and now you can see this line shows the 90 degree, that means this is the 90 degree angle. Now next here we measure the basement and this angle here. So first we put here, we set the protractor on this point and this line. This line shows the so here you can see this line shows the 35 degree, 30, this is 40 and here we have 10 parts of 30 to 40, that means this is 35 degree. Okay, so here this angle is 35 degree. Now we start the exercise 5.4 and question number 1 is, what is the measure of? First is a right angle. So here first we draw a baseline. This is the baseline and protractor, this point is fixed on that point. So here we fix and this basement line fixed on 0 here. Now here 90 degrees, fixed a point on 90 degree and join this point to this baseline. So here this is the 90 degree angle. Next is a straight line. So a straight line makes 180 degree. This is 180 degree. That means this is the straight baseline. This makes here fixed point on that point and here this is 0 and here this is 180. So fixed a point. Now connect this line, baseline to that point. So this makes the straight line. This is called 180 degree straight angle. Next question is, say true or false. First is the measure of an acute angle. This is less than of 90 degree. So here this statement is true. Now next, the measure of an obtuse angle. Obtuse angle is greater than 90 degree. So here this is greater than 90 degree. That means this statement is false here. Next question number C, the measure of a reflex angle. Reflex angle means when we are complete to 180 degree, that we find the reflex angle. So here this is true. Next, the measure of one complete revolution. This is equal to 360. When we complete 360 degree, that means this is equal to 1 revolution. So this is true here. Next, if angle A is 50 degree, 53 degree and angle of B is 35 degree, then angle of A is greater than angle of B. So here 53 is greater than of 35. That means statement is true here. Now next, write down the measures of some acute angles. So acute angle, this is the less than of 90 degree. So here I write the answer is 40 degree or 80 degree. This is the acute angle. And some obtuse angle. Obtuse angle is greater than of 90 degree. That means here the value of obtuse angle is 100 degree or 120 degree, 130 degree, like that. Okay. Now next, measure the angles given below using the protractor and write down the measures. So first, here we choose the one baseline. So here this is the baseline. Okay. Now fix the protractor on that point here. Here. Okay. And you can see here, this is between in 40 to 50 on that point. So this is called 45 degree. So here this angle is 45 degree. Next, B, this is the baseline. So here we fixed on that point. Okay. So here you can see this makes the 180 degree. Here 60 is we choose this number because this is greater than the 90 degree. That means here we choose greater value, means 120 degree. So here the answer is 120 degree.